Small craft advisory for boaters seas 3 to 6 and choppy for the inland waters overnight and tomorrow, and likely into Thursday. The winds do come down by the weekend. 81 overnight, quick rain possible, otherwise warm and breezy. Gusty winds tomorrow, hazy sunshine clouding over though, and a few afternoon showers and storms on the way. First around the lake and then toward the coastline. The 7-day forecast, a little higher than normal rain chances for Thursday and maybe into Friday. But right now the weekend looks brighter with sunshine and a little bit cooler too, and a little less humid.